All right, identifying solutions of systems of inequalities. So we graphed them in our last assignment. Our goals for this assignment: I know what a system of inequalities looks like. I know that a solution to a system of inequalities is a coordinate, and I can check to see if a given coordinate is an actual solution to a system of inequalities. So we're not going to be doing any graphing on this one. This one's just going to be pure algebra. So once again, a system of linear inequalities is a set of two or more. Oh, I just hit that button. Two or more linear inequalities that use the same variables. A solution to a system of inequalities is any ordered pair that makes all the inequalities true at the same time. Okay, this one's pretty straightforward and not too bad. So here's some examples of systems of inequalities. Okay, this is what your assignment's going to look like. Is the coordinate 1, 3 a solution to the following systems of inequality? Well, so remember, this is my x and this is my y. So I'm just going to plug these in and see if it's true or not. So let's work with this one over here. So we're going to do y, which is 3, is greater than 2 times x, which is 1, minus 1. Okay, 2 times 1 is 3, so 3 is greater than 2 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1, so we have 3 is greater than 1, which is correct. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to plug it into the other one. So we're going to come over here for this work. And we're going to say y, we had 3, is less than or equal to negative x. So I'm going to put that in parentheses just because if they ever gave me a negative, the double negative would turn it into a positive. So I'm going to say negative 1 plus 5. So 3 is less than or equal to negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Is 3 less than or equal to 4? It is. So yes. 1, 3 is a solution to that equation. Okay, what about 4, 2? So we're going to come down here and we're going to use 4, 2 instead. So y, which is my 2 this time, is greater than 2 times x, which is 4, minus 1. So this is 2 is greater than 8 minus 1. 2 is greater than 7. That is not true. I don't even have to plug it into the next equation because it has to be true for both of them or all of them. So in this case, the answer would be no for the coordinate 4, 2. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's begin with this one where 2 is my x and 5 is my y. So is 5 greater than or equal to negative 2 plus 4? So negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So 5 is greater than or equal to 2. So that's good. Now let's see if it's true for this one. Let's see. So y, which is 5, is less than 3 times x, which is 2, plus 1. Okay, is 5 less than 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1. Is 5 less than 7? Yes, it is. So 2, 5 does work. All right. Now let's try it using 0, 0. Okay, so we have 0 is greater than or equal to negative 0, which is just 0, and 4. Is 0 greater than or equal to 4? No, it's not. We don't even have to do the next one. I'm going to, just so you can see what it would look like. So if I would do this one, I would have 0 is less than 1. That is true, but since the first one was not, no, 0, 0 is not a solution to that system of inequalities. Okay, how about 1, 2? Okay, let's work with this one. So x is 1, y is 2. So x plus y, so 1 plus 2 is greater than 4. Is 3 greater than 4? No, it's not. I don't even have to plug it into the next one. I will, just for kicks and giggles. So is 2 less than 1 plus 1? Is 2 less than 2? No. So it didn't even satisfy either one of the inequalities. Let's try 2, 2. So let's bring it down here. So 2 plus 2 is greater than 4. Is 4 greater than 4? No. If it was greater than or equal to, we would say correct. But it's not, so that is also a no. So that one, neither of the ones they gave me were solutions. Okay? So that's all we're really doing. You're just plugging it in and seeing if it's a true statement or a false statement. If they're both true, we get a yes. If even one of them is no, it's going to be, or if anyone, let me re-say that. If even one of them is false, then it's going to be no. It's not a solution. Okay, so I know what a system of inequalities looks like. I know that a solution to a system of inequalities is a coordinate, and I can check to see if a given coordinate is an actual solution to a system of inequalities. So go ahead and do your assignment and let me know if you have any questions.